Well, first of all, thank you ever so much indeed for joining us today. We very much appreciate it.
Thanks so much for having me here. It's always fun to talk with you, Steve.
So how important do you think this year's theme has been, and how has it affected the program itself?
It is important because we haven't done it before. As far as I can remember, we have tackled all kinds of topics in psychiatry, but we haven't had a presidential initiative on addiction itself. So I am delighted that we're doing this year, and that we're putting addiction in the forefront of our work.
So your presidential initiative on addiction spanned opioids, alcohol, technology and vaping. How big a challenge was it to cover all of those areas?
Well, what we did is we focused one at a time. So we had the first 3 months on vaping, the second 3 months on opioids to coincide with the recovery month in September, the next 3 months on alcohol coinciding with the holidays because people drink a little more during the holidays, and finally we ended up with the technological addictions in the spring. And that helped us organize the year and focus at one at a time.
And how did you think it went?
I think it went extremely well. I really think so. Under the leadership of Dr. Smita Das, who oversaw the entire presidential initiative, we worked hard. We had amazing teams. The staff of the APA provided amazing support, both communications, the advocacy, the government, Saul Levin himself. So we're extremely fortunate to get this work done in just 12 months.
So you mentioned Saul there. So obviously, as part of your presidential year, Saul leaving the APA. What do you think about that, and how do you see the health of the APA?
Well, big loss that we're losing Saul. He has been an incredible force over the past 11 years, brought us where we are today. But the good news here is that we have an amazing incoming CEO and medical director, Dr. Marquita Wills. I had the pleasure of getting to know her over the past few months, and I am so confident that the APA is in very good hands under Marquita's leadership.
Been a busy year for you as president. What are your final thoughts as that year comes to an end? I'm
happy that I'm leaving the APA in a very good shape on all kinds of fronts, and I give my very best wishes to Vis, the new president. Is going to be taking over on Wednesday. Vis, have an amazing year, have fun with it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I know that you'll do wonderful things for the APA.
Petros, thank you very much, and thank you for
Steve.
joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.